Okay, in this video I'm going to solve this question. Okay, in the first one, express 4 to the power of x in terms of y. Okay, given that y is equal to 2 to the power of x. Okay, so I need to write this in terms of y. It's the same as I say I need to write this in terms of 2 to the power of x. First, focus on the fact that 4 is not a prime number. I can factorize it in terms of 2, okay, as a product of 2. So as you can see, 4 to the power of x is the same as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x, okay, because 2 to the power of 2 is the same as 4. So if you remember lots of indices, this will be the same as 2 to the power of 2x. Okay, and given that multiplication is commutative operation, you can write this as 2 to the power of x to the power of 2, okay, because 2 times x is the same as x times 2. And remember that 2 to the power of x, because the exercise, in the formulation of the exercise you can read it, y is the same as 2 to the power of x. So you have that this is y squared. So I have 4 to the power of x in terms of y, because 4 to the power of x is the same as y squared. Okay, well, let's go and do the next one. This is part A. For part B, well, first you need to solve this quadratic as many times we have done in our lessons by using factorizing, okay? As I have already told you many times, use factorizing. If you can use factorizing, use it, okay? Because the examiner prefers that, okay? So, well, remember I multiply 1 times minus 16. Now I need to look for factors of minus 16 that add up to minus 6. In this case is minus 8 and 2, because minus 8 times 2 is minus 16, and if you add up minus 8 and 2 you have minus 6, okay? Then you can write this like y minus y plus 2y minus 8y minus 16 equals 0. Look that the common factor for y and 2y is y. So you get this. And the common factor of minus 8 and minus 16 is minus 8, and then you get this. Now the common factor of this multiplication and this multiplication is the bracket, is y plus 2. So you get that y plus 2 times y minus 8 equals 0. So the solution for that is y equals minus 2 and y equals 8. But don't forget that y is 2 to the power of x, okay, and I want to find this, the value of x. Then 2 to the power of x is equals to minus 2. We don't have a solution for that, okay, because 2 is the base of this index, and if the base is positive you will never get a negative number as a result of this index, okay? And now we have that 2 to the power of x is equal 8. If you think a bit about it, 8 is the same as 2 to the power of 3. So to make true this equality, x must be equals to 3. And that's the solution of this exercise. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate in sending me an email or whatever.